In this video, I will show you how to extract multiple data tables from a PDF file into Excel using ChatGPT. Let me open this PDF file. This PDF file is a small report on the highest grossing movies from three major film industries: Hollywood, Bollywood and Malayalam. The PDF file has 4 pages and contains 3 data tables. The table showing the details of the highest grossing movies from Malayalam, Bollywood and Hollywood. The first column shows the rank, the second column shows the movie name, followed by the director's name, the gross collection, and the year of release in the last column. Now let's see how we can extract these data tables into Excel using ChatGPT. Let me close the PDF file, open the website of ChatGPT. To upload the PDF file into ChatGPT, click on this plus button, add photos and files. Using this dialog, select the PDF file containing data tables. Click on Open. Now type the prompt to extract the data tables from the attached PDF file. Extract all tables from the attached multi-page PDF report into an Excel workbook. Load the full dataset into separate worksheets named Hollywood, Bollywood and Malayalam. Keep the original rows and columns and ensure numeric fields are numbers. Output a clean, analysis-ready Excel file. You can modify the prompt based on the nature of your PDF file and your specific requirements. After typing the prompt, click on this button. ChatGPT is saying that it has extracted the data tables from the attached PDF file as specified and has provided an Excel file containing the extracted data. Let's download the Excel file. The Excel file has been downloaded. Let's open the Excel file. The worksheet Hollywood contains the first data table from the PDF file, which is the list of the top 25 highest grossing Hollywood movies. Next worksheet is Bollywood. And the third worksheet is Malayalam.